Today is Friday, July 12th. This is the 1970 Cadillac General Time solid state clock. This is a original movement, General Time movement, period correct for 1970 as depicted by the wood grain trim around the bezel, whereas in 1969 that's a black trim. And although the movement is the same, in 1970 we have the wood grain. So this clock has been disassembled, and I've changed the coils and lubricated it and cleaned it and cleaned the contacts, and we can see the incremental second hand moving, and we can see the original solid state works. Okay, and probably in the video you can't hear it, but there's a tick 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 sound that's consistent with the original incremental movement as opposed to the quartz conversions that have a sweeping second hand. We can see that the second hand here is an incremental movement. So this is the period correct 1970 General Time fully restored Cadillac clock, and this is for my friend Keith Sterling. Today is Friday, July 12th. And I'll be installing it into Keith's 1970 Eldorado. Okay. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, including the 1969 rim blow steering wheel, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as the restoration of the original movement, General Time, and Boyne clocks for GM Cadillac. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.